Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today we are going to make perfect popcorns with these simple dried corns, which means now if you wish to have popcorns at home, you don't have to buy expensive Act 2 popcorns from market. These simple dried corns are available in market at very less price, and very easily, just within 3 to 4 minutes, we can make the perfect popcorns at home. So let's see what steps we need to follow to make popcorns at home with these dried corns. First of all, we need to take 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of butter or clarified butter, which we also call ghee. Here I am using pot to make popcorns, but you can also use pressure cooker. I find it easier to make popcorns in pot or kadhai. If you are using pressure cooker, then don't forget to take out the whistle part of the pressure cooker while closing the lid of it. And as you can see, our clarified butter has melted now. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt here, as we are making salted popcorns to give it the same flavor as Act 2. And after adding salt, here I'm adding half cup of dried corns. With only half cup of corns, we are going to get full pot of popcorns. So let's mix the dried corns with salt and clarified butter. And now we need to cover our pot with the lid, or if you are using pressure cooker, just close it with the lid and take out the whistle of it. And we will keep the flame on medium only. And as soon as we'll cover the lid, you will see the corns are getting popped. And it's been 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and you can see the corns are done popping now. So we can turn off the flame and let's uncover the lid of our pot. And you can see how beautiful they are looking. With just half cup of dried corns, we got so many popcorns. This is the full pot of popcorns. And the best part is, these popcorns are perfectly popped and so soft and delicious in taste. So let's take them out in a bowl and they are ready to serve. I would say this is a must-try recipe. Kids are going to be very happy to see these popcorns, and unlike Act 2 popcorns, these popcorns are very economic in price and takes the same efforts and time to make. So next time you don't need to go for those ready-made Act 2 popcorns, just use dried corns and get the same taste. So do try this recipe at your home and tell me in the comment section how did you find its taste. If you are new to my channel, you can consider subscribing it, and please tap on the bell icon too, so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.